Hi everybody! I have been getting a lot of questions regarding what's the easiest way to take off your Color Street nail polish. The glitters and the ones that have designs on them are a little bit harder because they have more layers to them. Kind of like when you use regular wet polish, if you add like 4 or 5 layers to your nails, it's going to be harder to take off and slightly more messy when you do take it off. But I do have 3 different methods that I kind of wanted to introduce to everybody so that you can try these out for yourself and see if they work for you. So I'm going to go through each of these 3 methods with you. So step number 1 is you're going to just use regular remover and use cotton rounds and not cotton balls. So cotton balls, they kind of like stick to your nail more and leave some of that residue behind from the cotton ball. Rounds, I've been told, are better for your nails. I've always had the rounds since I started using Color Street, just because we go to Costco and they don't have the balls where I'm at. But the rounds, you should try it if you haven't already. As far as what kind of remover to use, I have started using this mineral nail polish remover. You can get it on Amazon for like $6. It is acetone free, so it doesn't dry out your nails in the same way that regular acetone nail polish remover does. Also, just kind of a pro tip is when you do remove your polish, if you can kind of obviously wash your hands after you remove everything to kind of get all of the residue off. And then if you have like lotion or like cuticle oil, maybe put that on your nails and just give them like more extra healing before you go ahead and put on your new set. So anyways, this first method is the one that I'm going to try now and just kind of give you a visual of how simple it would be to take off your nail polish remover using this method. I like to use a lot. Anyways, I'm going to start with my pinky. And this is the Lightyear set. It's actually discontinued now. We thought it would be on longer, but mini collections tend to go pretty fast. So next time you see a mini collection that you like, maybe want to try and grab it before it's out of stock. Okay, so I am rubbing. See how it's coming off already? I already have the first layer, second layer. See? Turn it around. And voila, clean nail. Okay. The second method that one could use to take off their nail polish are using clips. So these nail clips, you can get them for like $4 on Amazon, or probably at a Dollar Tree. I'm not really sure. Maybe at Sally's Beauty Supply, or other places. But basically what you do for those harder polishes that if you don't have mineral fusion nail polish remover and you just have the regular acetone and it's taking you a long time, what you want to do is put a bunch on a cotton swab. Then you're going to wrap your nail in it, and then you're going to clip it to your nail like this for like, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. And that just kind of like lets the remover soak into your nail polish so that it's easier to take off than just rubbing it like I just did with the other session. Okay, so I'm gonna try that with, let me just do one nail again so that it's faster for you guys. Okay, so here we go. get a lot on here. Then I'm going to, actually I'm going to do just a little bit more because I want it to soak. So it's kind of like dripping off of my thing. And then I'm going to clip, oh shoot, I just dripped all over my teeth. It's still dripping. Okay. Just clean that up. And then we're gonna sit here for like, let's pretend that I did my whole hand and we're gonna sit here for 5 minutes, okay? So. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. Now I'm going to take off the clip and see if it's easier to take off. Oh look, see, look, it already took off a whole bunch just by sitting there for 5 minutes, so. I'm going to, wow, look how fast that just came off. Just like easy. Flip it over, do this last little piece, clear. So that's 2 ways to get your nail polish off. There is one more way. So the third way to get your nail polish off, and I've never tried this before, so I'm gonna try it now for you guys. I'm taking off my ring, my wedding ring, because I'm trying this for the first time, okay? So I saw this in a YouTube video and I want to try it myself. Basically, a surefire way to get all of your nail polish off in 60 seconds is to take your Mineral Fusion remover, pour a little bit into a Ziploc bag. Let me open this first. There. Or like this much into a Ziploc bag. And then you're gonna get a cup of hot water. And what you're gonna do is put your hand into the Ziploc bag and dip it inside the Mineral Fusion and then have it sit in the hot water. I don't know if you can see this, but basically once it's in there, you just kind of like rub your fingers together, and supposedly this nail polish, sorry, I'm trying to like, there we go. Supposedly the nail polish comes off in 60 seconds. So let me just rub my nails. I mean, I can kind of feel it just a little, like the top layer coming off, but let's see how this goes. Oh look, my pointer finger is almost all the way off. Okay, let's go to my ring finger. Just gonna rub those together. It's coming off a little bit. Get my thumb. I'm not sure if I used enough, but I mean, it is coming off, and it's, and if I wanted to get like all my nails at once, this is kind of how you could do it. Oh look, okay, so I basically have my 2 fingers clear. Now I'm just going to finish off my thumb. And there we go, my hand is clear. And that is, oh, I just took a big whiff of that nail polish remover that's hot in there. So anyways, those are all 3 ways that one could take off their nail polish. Try them out, see if any work for you, and tell me which one you like better, or is the easiest for you and less messy, because I'm all clear. I just gotta do my other hand. Alright, thanks.